First question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas to be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equal to 15.4 cm, find BC. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and area of ABC is 64, area of DEF is equal to 12, EF is 15.4, find BC. So the relation which we can use here is, it is given that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF whole square. So area of triangle ABC is given as 64. 64 by 12 is equal to BC by 15.4 whole square. It is 121. 64 divided by 121 is equal to BC by 15.4 whole square. So 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. I have taken the square root on both sides. So 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. So this implies that BC is equal to 8 into 1.4, which is equal to 11.2 centimeter. This is the direct application of the theorem. Area of ABC divided by area of DF is equal to BC by EF whole square. And we have given the, we have taken all the values which are given. So BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Second question, diagonals of a trapezium with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2 CD, find the ratio of the areas of the triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. To find the area of the ratio of both the triangles, we need to check the similarity first. If it is similar, then only we can apply it. So consider triangle AOB, consider triangle AOB and triangle COD, in which AB is parallel to CD. So these two angles are equal, alternate interior angles. Similarly, these two are also equal using alternate interior angles. So angle OAB is equal to angle OCD and angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Using alternate interior angles are equal. So what we can say is triangle OAB is similar to OCD using AA criterion. If these two are similar, we can apply area property. So area of AOB divided by area of COD is equal to, in which AB is equal to 2 CD. So we have to take these two corresponding sides. So AB by CD whole square, which is equal to, we can write AB as 2 CD. 2 CD divided by CD whole square, which is equal to 4 by 1. So the ratio is 4:1. First we have proved both these triangles are similar. Then we have applied area of AOB divided by area of COD is equal to AB by CD whole square. And instead of AB we have written 2 CD. So after cancellation we got it as 4 by 1, which is equal to 4:1. Next, third question. In figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, show that area of ABC divided by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO. Here similarity is not given. So what we have to do first is draw altitudes AP and DQ. So AP is perpendicular to BC and DQ is perpendicular to BC. Then consider triangle APO and triangle DQO. Consider these two triangles APO and DQO, in which these two angles are equal because it is vertically opposite angles. Angle AOP is equal to angle DOQ. It is vertically opposite angles. Angle AOP is equal to angle DOQ, vertically opposite, and angle APO is equal to angle DQO is equal to 90 degree by construction. So what we can say is triangle AOP is similar to triangle DOQ. So what we can say is AP by DQ is equal to OP by OQ is equal to AP by DQ is equal to OP by OQ is equal to AO by DO. Mark it as equation 1. So what we got is these two triangles are similar, so the corresponding sides are in proportion. Then area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to, using the formula half BH, half into BC into AP. Half into BC into AP. Similarly, area of triangle BCD is equal to half into BC into DQ. Area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into DQ. So the ratio of these two, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to half into BC into AP divided by half into BC into DQ. Is equal to, we can cancel these, remaining AP by DQ. But AP by DQ is equal to AO by DO is equal to AO by DO. This is the final answer. AP by DQ is equal to AO by DO. Next question, fourth question. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. So given that, we have to consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which these two are similar and the areas of these two are equal. What you have to prove is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. For proving this, what we are going to prove is corresponding sides are equal. So since they are saying something about the area, we have to go for the area relation itself. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to the square of the ratio of the sides. So, AB by PQ whole square, which is equal to BC by QR whole square, which is equal to AC by PR whole square. What is given is both these areas are equal. So, left side become 1 is equal to AB by PQ whole square, which is equal to BC by QR whole square, which is equal to AC by PR whole square. Then we have to take it one by one. So, AB by PQ is equal to 1. This implies AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, we can prove that BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR.